Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into Rollercoin. It's been about a week since season 8 started. So we're going to be looking at how our account is doing and how we're progressing through the season. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are here at the Rollercoin website. So if we just log into our account, okay, so this is my account and it's been about 5 days since the last time we were here. So what has changed? Well, 5 days ago, our hashing power was 143.290. You can see we are now at 143.325 petahashes. Our bonus is exactly the same. We are earning a little bit more with the RST now, and I believe yeah, we've actually moved up a couple of spots on the leaderboard as well, which is all good. So basically what we're looking at today is we're going to be adding a few more of these 5% shelves, 5% racks, so we can see how that impacts on our overall hashing power. So if we basically go into, I believe it's this one, so we want to get rid of all these. These demolishers obviously have not been upgraded yet, so they're only worth about 70,000 gigahashes, but these are worth 99,000. We also, if we go in here, this is 140,000, so we'll move that to the items. They're all 5% racks. That's a 5% rack. There is another miner somewhere, which I believe this one is 110, I think. 110, yeah, so we'll move that as well. And then obviously, because these are 99, excuse me, if we move that one over there, and then we dump the rest of these into the items panel, and then we get rid of that. The other thing as well, also a week ago we only had 320 RST. You can now see we are over 1,600. Remember, we're trying to get to that 25,000 to pick up that 1.1 petahash miner from the season store. Okay, so if we flick through here, so we've got 2 of these 5% racks that I've managed to get hold of. There we go. So there's one. So if we pop that there, and then we go all the way back down here again. I'll actually be really glad when I've got rid of some of these spare miners to you guys. Remember, we are going to be doing that live feed, that live stream at some point in the near future. So make sure you're around. Obviously, if you are a member of the Discord, what I will do is I will put an announcement for that live stream and // giveaway. Unfortunately, obviously I can't actually give them to you, but as in the last live stream we did this on, I will be placing them at very, very low prices on the marketplace to help you guys out. And I will, like I say, I will be putting an announcement for that on our Discord. Okay, so there. Okay. It does get, I have to say, it does get a little tedious when you have to keep scrolling through these to find the miners that you want. That goes there. And then, so we've got that spare rack there. And then if we go back to here, this one, and we'll get rid of that. Move to items. So as you can see, I am still sticking to my plan of basically just, this was my focus, as I said at the end of season 7, to basically get all these racks swapped out, get all my miners onto the higher 5% bonus racks. And then once that's done, the next step is to then start merging these miners, these the demolishers and all that, merging them to boost their power. And obviously, you know, in doing that, we then start making some spaces on our racks as well for, yeah, this is just annoying. Oh, I know what I've done. Sorry guys, you're probably screaming at the screen because you saw what I'd done. This is where we should be. Yeah, so obviously, like I say, the next stage is then to start merging all the miners to them higher levels to then obviously boost the power, and then obviously, you know, we're still pursuing that 1.1 petahash miner, like I say, in the season store. Excuse me. And I truly believe that doing all this is gonna, I don't know, I mean, I don't know, because obviously I've not exactly worked out how much you get from the season. We know that the miners are exactly the same in the way of power than season 7. We also know that the miners within the season store are exactly the same as season 7. I'm not sure about the temporary power that you get and stuff like that. Obviously, because I'm not really doing much in the way of the season, I will miss out on things like the bonus RLT and stuff like that. But like I say, I'm really doing this as to sort of give myself a break from just, you know, playing games and that all the time. And, you know, so I can spend less time in here and, you know, focus my attention on other things. Also, remember, guys, for those of you that didn't catch my last video, you are receiving 2 times your mining power. If you are playing the mini games, you are receiving 2 times the mining power. I know from the Discord, a lot of you are having issues with various games not verifying, which obviously is massively annoying. The only thing I will say is I personally actually use the unofficial Rollercoin app, and I tend to find that when I use that on my mobile phone, I don't have any problems claiming things, you know, like the power and that after playing the mini games. And I know some people have said that they've used it on their mobile phone and they've found that it is a lot better. So there are various versions of it floating around on the net. Just be careful the ones you get, because some can be a bit dodgy. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about Rollercoin but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to a tutorial in the description. Now that's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earning some of these free coins. But if you go right the way to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Anyway, where are we in the season? Well, as you know, I basically said, and I've just said, that I'm not really partaking in it in the sense, but if we go in here, so we scroll down, you can still see I'm at level 1, but I am at 271 XP, so I'm not going to get this, obviously, but I will hopefully get that one. And all I'm doing, if we go in here, as I said in my last video, I'm just doing this one and this one, and then obviously if I'm lucky enough and I get some referrals, I'm also doing this one, but I'm not opening any RLT cases. I'm not basically doing anything else. The spend there is because I bought those racks today, and that is it. That is all I'm doing. Obviously, you know, I'm building up RLT to get the racks. We've got the RST there to get the miner, the 1.1 petahash miner. We're now at 143,362, where we were as 143,325. So obviously, because we're starting to hit the lower end miners, we're not getting so much from our 5% racks. If we look at this one, these are only 70,000, so that's going to give us only a 3,500 gigahash bonus. This one will have a bit more because it's 140,000, so we get 7,000 from that. We're going to get 5,500 from that, and we're getting basically 5,000 from that. So obviously, compared to the ones where we were putting like petahash miners on there and we were getting, like, you know, huge amounts, it is. But once we've done it all and then we start merging these, obviously they increase in power. So if they increase in power, what that means is our bonus also increases. So that is why for me the first stage is to get these racks switched over, then start merging. Hopefully you see, because obviously if I merge, that means I've got to start spending RST to get the parts. But I really want to focus on getting this 1.1 petahash miner. So, I mean, it looks like RST is going to be with us for quite a while going forward. So I'm probably going to focus on getting the 1.1 petahash miner and then look to merge. Because for me, we've only got, 3 months or something like that. So I want to make sure that this gets up to that 25,000 before I sort of switch over to buying the cases and spending that RST. So that is my plan going forward. So that's it. They're just short and sweet. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found that helpful and informative. And if you are interested in that earlier video that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can, please smash that like button. It really, really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care. Have a great rest of your long weekend, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.